In this example, we have a cabinet that we want to align with the intermediate shelves in a grid. For this, I simply select the right view and double-click or choose Configure Cabinet. I click Configurations tab and Intermediate Shelves graphic. Here, I have the grid that I define as 32 mm. I now want to adjust the cabinet height because the cabinet height should be modified, and the base height, which we defined as 120 mm, should also be adjusted. I confirm with OK and see that the height changed to 585.5, and here to 598.5. If I undo this by pressing Ctrl+Z, we can see that previously 600 mm was entered here. One can, of course, also measure all of this to see that the value in the base area is set to 128 mm here. We have a value of 128 and from the bottom edge of the cabinet, a length of 288, 192, 224. So, all values are in this grid dimension. The overall height has now been set to 1472. And if I don't want to change this height, I can simply undo the whole process. And we can see the original height again. 192 and 224. We undo it now. And we can see the original height again. Now I go back into the dialog and simply say that everything should remain the same, only the cabinet height should be retained. I confirm again with OK. The result is similar, only that the overall height is now influenced accordingly, meaning the cabinet height is 1340, and if I simply undo it, we can see that the cabinet height remains the same here. The overall height has changed because the base height was also modified.